Okay, you've watched a little video on digits, a little video on place value, the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and I'm going to show you in your what you can use in your math toolkit. So in your math toolkit, you have some plastic pieces that look like this. You've got a tiny little bag and these, and then you should have, where did mine go? On the floor, one like this. And that's what we're going to talk about right now. So the tiniest unit is this little guy, and he is a cube. So we know that a cube is worth 1. And then the next little guy is this, and you've probably seen these in first grade, so it's a little bit of a review. This, if we counted each of these, there's 10. This is worth 10, and it's called a long. So we have a cube worth 1, a long worth 10. So there are 10 of these, 10 cubes in a long. And if I ask you to draw them, like show me on a whiteboard 21 with base 10 blocks, that's what these are called, you could just draw a stick. A long stick is worth 10. Instead of drawing, you know, real neat and making sure you have 10 boxes, which takes forever, you can draw a long stick, and that means long. So cube, long, and then the hundreds, this guy, there are 100 ones. If we would lay out, we would fill up this whole thing with 100 cubes. And this guy is called a flat. A flat is worth 100. Or a flat is worth, look here, let's see how many longs would fit. Now we know this is 10. So if we went over and filled each of these in with a long, we'd have to count by tens. So let's do that. So we would have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You would have 10 longs that would fit on this flat. So that's what we're going to be working with this week. If an independent time or any time that you want to get this out and start making up numbers like 33, you could lay out what you think 33 would be. And we would know 33, 10, 20, 30, and then I would only need 3 of these little guys, and that would mean 33. So we're going to be practicing with this and using these tools to help us. So that's our little lesson on flats, longs, and cubes.